The Liberal Democrats are a liberal political party in the United Kingdom. The party has 13 members of parliament in the House of Commons, 89 members of the House of Lords, 4 members of the Scottish Parliament, 1 member in the Welsh Senedd, and 2 members in the London Assembly. The party served as the junior party in a coalition government with the Conservative Party between 2010-2015, with Scottish Labour in the Scottish Executive from 1999 to 2007, and with Welsh Labour in the Welsh Government from 2016 to 2021. In 1981, an electoral alliance was established between the Liberal Party, a group which descended from the 18th-century Whigs, and the Social Democratic Party, a splinter group from the Labour Party. In 1988, the parties merged as the Social and Liberal Democrats, adopting their present name just over a year later. Under the leadership of Paddy Ashdown and later Charles Kennedy, the party grew during the 1990s and 2000s, focusing its campaigns on specific seats and becoming the third largest party in the House of Commons. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.